Dentitox Pro reviews. Is Dentitox Pro legit? Here in this article, I will cover everything about an unfathomable oral health item named Dentitox, a unique dental spray or Dentitox Pro drops. I was researching on the web to track down the best natural healthy ways to take care of my mouth issues, similar to how might I stop the smell of my breath, the draining gums, having healthy red gums, and ways to achieve more white teeth utilizing spices and plants cures. He utilized the formula to settle his own genuine oral health issues. He went through years researching the optimal combination of substances that help gum health and reinforce your teeth. Dentitox Pro aids in the decrease of gum inflammation. Plaque and bacteria are eliminated from the gums and teeth with Dentitox. Dentitox Pro is an enhancement that gives important supplements that assistance to repair damaged gums and teeth. The item is in care for the other similar brands, and the Dentitox is all the more remarkable and 100% natural, non-medicated, and trusted. It is a famous natural, non-medicated item with a great variety of toothpaste mouthwashes that guarantee you a 24-hour assurance of more white teeth, cleaner, non-draining gums, and so on, with satisfactory 24-hour insurance against the bad smell. The usage of Dentitox, a unique dental spray twice daily, is beneficial for you to appreciate eating whatever the food you want, whatever food you like, and so forth, without encountering any pain, cavities, gum inflammations, and other usual issues to your daily schedule. It keeps your gums and teeth and keeps your mouth clean and sterile. Maintenance of clean and sterile conditions targeting teeth, saliva, gums, and different aspects of health and well-being. The increasing demand for the item is its short answer for your oral and dental issues. Remembering all the advantages, the item appears to be a straightforward way to maintain an ideal grin and take care of your oral cleanliness. You should take the 6 drops of the formula daily to help your oral and dental health differently. By taking 6 drops of the formula, one can impeccably uphold the health of your teeth. Also, you can rinse it around your mouth, apply it straightforwardly to your gums and teeth. Also, read here, what you didn't know about the link between oral hygiene and Dentitox, a unique dental spray. While this is an incredible oral health vitamin, it won't magically settle all of your dental issues. Dentitox, a unique dental spray, is the same way because its chemicals take some time to bring down the inflammation that causes such a lot of damage. Most Dentitox Pro clients claim to have encountered changes around the 14-day mark. This liquid enhancement is a great combination of necessary vitamins, minerals, plants, and herbal extracts. It is necessary to maintain oral health as it fortifies the gums. Vitamin D3. It is beneficial for oral health as it mediates calcium and mineral absorption. It is beneficial for oral health as it mediates calcium and mineral absorption. Vitamin K2. This vitamin upholds the remineralization of teeth, accordingly forestalling dental decay. It helps in balancing the oral microbiome and forestalls cavities. This vitamin upholds the remineralization of teeth, accordingly forestalling dental decay. It helps in balancing the oral microbiome and forestalls cavities. High acidic blood can lead to loss of calcium from teeth and bones. Accordingly, potassium helps in healthy blood circulation to teeth. High acidic blood can lead to loss of calcium from teeth and bones. Accordingly, potassium helps in healthy blood circulation to teeth. Zinc upholds remineralization and demineralization of teeth. Calcium. Calcium is the major structure square of bones and teeth. It helps in the strength of teeth and forestalls disintegration. Calcium is the major structure square of bones and teeth. Iron. Iron advances the blood supply to teeth and gums. The item is an aftereffect of natural fixings and extracts that doesn't simply claim the health of your teeth, yet additionally assists with building them more grounded and controls oral diseases. It also claims to improve the health of your teeth by giving significant advantages. The enhancement claims to prevent you from stressing over your cavities and gum inflammation, both major issues, at the developing part of your age. It is a combination of vitamins and minerals and manufactured in natural extracts to achieve the advantages. If you feel this video can help someone, please like, comment, and share this video. Thanks for watching it.